Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Subaru Forester without keys. First, assess your situation. Have you simply misplaced your primary key, or is it completely lost? If you have a spare key, even a valet key, that's your easiest solution. Also, check your key fob battery. A dead battery can prevent the car from recognizing the fob, even if it's present. If these don't apply, professional help is likely needed. If your key fob battery is dead, you can still start your Forester. Most Subaru key fobs have a hidden physical key. Slide the release button and pull out this key. Use it to manually unlock your driver's door. Once inside, place the entire key fob directly against the push-button start. This allows the car to read the fob's chip, even with a dead battery, and you should be able to start the engine. If the previous methods don't work, or if you've truly lost all keys, it's time for professional help. A certified automotive locksmith can often cut and program a new key on site. Alternatively, your Subaru dealership can order and program new keys specific to your vehicle's VIN. Remember, you'll need to provide proof of ownership, like your registration and driver's license, to ensure security. To avoid future lockouts, always have a spare key. Keep it in a safe, memorable place at home, or consider a magnetic key holder hidden on your vehicle for emergencies. Regularly check your key fob battery and replace it every 1 to 2 years to prevent unexpected issues. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. Staying prepared can save you a lot of hassle and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.